Micro Standard Time back with Ray White of Scout West, the developers of Standard Time, and we're taking time to answer your questions about how to use Standard Time just a little bit better. Yeah. Hey, Ray. Yeah. So, question, as a manager, can I find out how much time it's taking on each kind of work that I actually do?
Oh, yes, absolutely. So let's just switch over here. I'm going to start by going to the Tools menu, choosing Categories. So you can use categories to define the different kinds of work, the different types of work you perform. And when you track time to those, you can then find out with reporting how long it takes. So here I've got a list. This is my customizable list. You can create your own list that would define the kinds of work you do. You can see that there are lots of different types in here that you might consider creating, like management, meeting, accounting, administration, but you have your own types, the kinds of work that fit your business. And when you log time to those, you can simply report on it. So this is irrespective of the project. You will find out the amount of time for each kind of work. Now, there's another thing you can do. You can choose the billing for those kinds of work. Now, normally billing is done on an employee basis or roles, so different ways to do billing, but you can actually bill for the kind of work you do, okay? So I choose category billing rates. You can see the same list. Remember the list we saw earlier? Mm-hmm. Here it is. And you can override. You can see some here are using default and some are overridden. This is using British sterling pounds instead of US dollars, but it's the same sort of thing. You override these for each project. So each project has a different rate potentially for each of these kinds of work. So yeah, I would start by going up to the Tools menu, choosing Categories, and that really is the place to define the kinds of work that you do. There it is.
That's awesome. Go to the website. We have a lot of videos there answering some questions. If you don't see your question answered there, submit it to us. We'd be happy to record one and answer it for you. So we're answering more of your questions next time with Standard Time. Adios.